ago, 2022, we have Tuluskatu 13. Was it 13?
3.
The race that is the capacity is 8 versions or 600 grams. It's the light green light.
Yeah.
The original light. Or I've seen not the dark green, but I think there's 2 versions of the green.
Yeah.
Oh, this is orange cab. Nice cab.
Yeah.
Interesting. There's a different photos here, and it was built in 2000 by Otis 2000. Might be late 2000s, but still not Gen 2. So 20 years old in 2020. The capacity is 8 versions of 600 grams. It's going to be expected next year, 2023. The C number is V1NE 2930. And this is green as it should be.
Yeah.
The light is green also. Somebody coming?
I changed my mind.
Niin sä tippaakin väispät, että me ei teet vaikka on.
Built in late 2000. Yeah, I can see that. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's